Hey there, welcome back to eFishin. I'm Rodney. Thanks for stopping by. We're out here on Taylorsville this morning. We're going to try to give it a shot, see if we can't catch a few fish. Y'all hang on, we'll see what happens. We're out. Big strike. Get that one. How's that? Get that. Got that spook. Tell you what. That's a big strike right there, boys. Kind of unexpected. There you go. How's that? Pretty good fish out here on Taylorsville. Topwater. Keep that in mind. Well, he thought he was big. Thought he'd try that spook out. And it bit him back. Green sunfish. Woo. Yeah, that was not quite as big as the other one. Still, take that spook. There he is. Not a real big one, but we'll take it. About that. There's another one. Got the old spook on it. There we go. How's that? Another one. Ate it up. Look at that. How's that? I don't know. They're getting smaller. There's another one. About the same size as that last one. Bah. Lost that one. Oh, goodness. So about 10 or 10:30, I don't know, that bite kind of started dying on the spook, and they started short striking it. So I ended up picking up the old jig, 5/16 ball jig that we've been talking about in fishing reports, and started throwing that thing around. And well, somewhere along the line, I got mixed up, turned the camera off when I thought I was turning it on, and then this happened. There we go. There she is. Well, there's another one. Ain't as big as that other one, but still another fish. There's another one. How's that? There's another one on the jig. Looks like he needs to eat a little bit. He's kind of skinny. Well, here we are. It's been a day. We did pretty good on that spook up to about 10 o'clock, and then it just kind of shut down. And we picked that jig up, caught that good one, about 3 pounds on it. So that's the pattern. Go back and watch the October and September fishing reports for Taylorsville. That's how we did it. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Rodney with eFishin. Check y'all out later. We're out.